Good morning, it's Tuesday the 30th of October, 6:49 UK time, 10 minutes before the open. I'm quickly gonna go through what I had planned for yesterday versus what happened and my plan for today. Okay, so this is my plans for yesterday, for Monday. Scenario 1 in blue, test lower to continue higher to the other side of the balanced area, and scenario 2 was test higher, continue lower to this LVN here in the profile, and continue test higher to the area 480 down to 409-ish for a range of about 70 points. Okay, so this is what happened. I was expecting continuation higher because we had a neutral extreme day, but in fact we went for scenario 2, at least at the beginning of the day, where we did test higher, but not as high as I had planned, all the way up to 480 or outside of the range. So we tested briefly up, sort of in a drive-like manner, down to 409 in like 2 hours from the open. We were there, at which point we found the buyers who took us all the way back up and higher, made a higher high, tested lower, attempted to continue higher, made it the top, and sold off. Sold off down again to the most traded area price of the area, this 420 area, balanced for the rest of the day inside the value area. So we had this whipsawing action, really big moves, and balanced in the end of the day. Volume was high at the beginning of the day and normal second half, and overall we finished with 200 contracts for the day. So this is the action at the open. Really some strong moves. 9:30 we were there. Strong delta, and then as soon as we got down, found our buyer, took us straight back up. Really hard to get into kind of moves. $460 double top. It's our crosses the IB low first for an extension of the range to the downside, then crosses the IB from the upside. And finishes in a drop-like motion. Okay, so the plans for today. Plans for today are scenario 1 in blue. Let's make a bit more room. Scenario 1, we have, I'm favoring the upside again, the one we couldn't do yesterday. So we're opening at here, 415 area. Test lower. Balance. Very high. Test the LVN at 467. And on the upside, something like this. On the upside, I don't expect us to go to the single print area, but we might. That'll give us a range of about 84 points, which I think is a bit much, but Tuesdays are active, so okay, that's scenario 1. Scenario 2 in green. We open. Expectation is for test higher on scenario 2. Expecting to test the LVN, sorry, the HVN. Second HVN of the composite, which is at 450, 51 somewhere. Test that, and then continue to the downside. Before that, we balance in the battle area, and on the way down, test the previous day's low, and then we go to the HVN. And extend the range or get out of the most recent balanced area to the LVN at 373. That's my scenario 2. Scenario 3. Scenario 3 is the move to the upside, but without the dip lower. So we open and we test the value area high, pull back. Go to the LVN at 467. The next stop up. It will be the single print. And possibly the HVN could be a bit high. So that's scenario 3. If it starts, if we open, or the opening swing is at around 414, 497, we have about 80 points. And finally scenario 4 is in orange, so we open and we have a driver like behavior. Test the previous day's low from leave the range, test it for confirmation, extend down to the HBN here, get tangled, and on the way down we go to the LVN on 347, get tangled in this area, all of it, LVN, it's an LVN for the template day in 2017, here. And 386 is a prominent HVN on the composite. So this is scenario 4. And that is my plans for today. We'll do it again tomorrow.